next up, Fort Narith Stroll for Handshake. Check out maps.techno.co for an always updating interactive map with everything you need to know about Grey Zone Warfare and Arena Breakout Infinite, with missions mapped out in great detail. Now Control-click to make suggestions. Thank you to everyone who's used it thus far. In this, we'll need to visit 4 separate locations in and around Fort Narith. We just need to run up to them, and that's pretty much it. This place is super dangerous, and of course, there is crazy AI in the area. The devs should hopefully be addressing the crazy AI issues, but anyways, in Fort Narith, there's 4 places we have to check. If you're looking at my map right now, you see all of them marked. There's one here, down south, one to the east, right here, then the third, and finally the 4th. Super simple. All you need to do is find your way to Lima 1 or Delta 3 if you have that available. I chose Lima 1 and ran all the way to this point here, cleared out a few guards, and just by stepping into the main gate over here, I was able to complete the first step. Then I made the foolish choice of running in here and going the long way around towards the second point over here by the gas station, which I definitely wouldn't recommend. Run around outside just to avoid the crazy headshot AI. I ended up not recording half of that footage, but I'll continue from when I was about here, running towards the gas station entrance over here. You'll see at these other 3 entrances exactly what I did, so it'll be super clear exactly what I did down here. Anyways, let's go back in time. Next up, heading all the way to the east on the far side of Fort Narith here, you'll find a refueling station, and just beyond this, another entrance. So pushing up towards this far right corner over here, night is making this a lot easier. We should be able to just get close to this checkpoint over here. And right here by this front gate, as soon as we get close enough to it, we'll take off the second part of this. This, of course, is taking me many lives. Now from here, we'll be heading pretty much along the road towards up here where the 3rd entrance is, and finally the 4th. So we'll head here first. I will be leaving Fort Narith. I won't be traveling around inside of this horrendous place anymore. Alright, here's the next entrance. We'll clean it out once more. Alright, so approaching this one here, we'll probably find some more guards inside, but maybe we don't even need to go that far. So I'll approach this middle one here, and we should be able to get this one ticked off too. Yep, there we go. Finally, the last place we'll be going is the next road along the way here. So here you go. Here's the next point, and all we need to do again is just visit it. One guard down, another one inside. We should just be able to approach this, and how close, that close. Now we can leave. Ultimately, this place is an absolute pain to come to, and I wish you the best of luck. Anyways, for now, at least I can get back to base. For this, I'd recommend going to Delta 2, just to the northeast, Fort Narith, as you can see here. Alright, we should be able to hand in the task, so hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.